G'day guys, Brent from Outback Equipment here, and welcome to the most in-depth review of the Companion Performance Series of iceboxes you will ever see. Today we're going to run you through the entire range of the Performance Series iceboxes. We're going to have an in-depth look at the 50 litre here by cutting it in half with a chainsaw. Stick around for that later in the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at the features of the whole range, and then we're going to go into the specifics of each icebox. On the outer here, we have the low density polyethylene food grade plastic that they've used to manufacture the box. On the front, we've got the heavy duty rubber pull down latches. On the bottom, we have the heavy duty rubber feet to stop it from slipping and sliding around in the back of the ute. On the top here, the lids are lockable, so they've actually got a hole here to be able to throw a padlock through it so you can keep it nice and secure. On the front here, it's also got an integrated bottle opener. It's got a stainless steel hinge pin that's integrated as well, and it's also got a silicone lid seal built into the top of the lid here. So now into the nitty gritty. So we've got the 15 litre here. It has a stainless steel bail handle. It's 47 centimeters long, 32 centimeters wide, and 32 centimeters high. This one is 5.1 kilos. It can hold 22 375ml cans, and it'll last for about 3 days with ice in it. Up next, we've got the 25 litre here. A few key differences on this one is it has a drain bung on the end. You're looking at 630 long, 350 wide, and about 340ml high. It's weighing in at 7.75 kilos, and this one will also last about 3 days with some ice in it. My favorite feature on this one is it's actually quite long and skinny, so holding the bail handle, walking along, you're not gonna smash your knees on it while you're walking with it. Up next, we've got the 50 litre performance cooler here. You're looking at 730 long, 450 wide, and 430ml high. You've also got the drain bung on the end here, and you've also got some nice heavy duty strap handles to pick this one up. This one, you're gonna see about 5 days worth of ice out of it, and you're also gonna be able to fit about 80 cans in this one. So moving right into the 50 litre wheeled cooler, major key differences, we've got the heavy duty rubber wheels on the back here, and we've also got a heavy duty T-pull handle. So the 50 litre wheeled cooler, 740 long, 440 wide. It's actually 500 wide if you include the wheels, and you're looking at 480 high. This one will hold about 77 cans, and the ice should last up to about 5 days. Last but not least, we have the 70 litre. This is the biggest and baddest out of all of the performance coolers. Key differences on this one, it's actually got a 50ml thick wall and also a dual stage bung on the end here. So you're looking at 770 long, 500 wide, and 440ml high. This one will hold 108 cans and weighing in at about 16 kilos. All right, so now the part you've all been waiting for. We're gonna head outside and we're gonna cut this bad boy in half with a chainsaw. Don't do this at home. As you can see, we have cracked this one wide open, giving us a good look at the high density PU foam inside. Some of the cheaper ice boxes out there on the market, they're not really an ice box. You'd class them as more of just a cooler. You know, good for a day trip, maybe a weekend if you're pushing it, but you are gonna chew through ice. Having a full foam insulated ice box like this is gonna help you have ice that lasts for a very long time. Now the Performance Series range of coolers has a 3-year warranty, but doing something like this will void it, so don't try that one at home. You can pick these up all day, every day at outbackequipment.com.au. If you have any questions about this one, hit us in the comments down below. If you have any ideas of other stuff that you want us to cut open, hit us down there as well. outbackequipment.com.au. We'll catch you in the next one.